So Monday is in the books, ladies and gentlemen, and let's just say it was not the best day for the stock market and for Palantir stock, which we have to break down the charts in this video. And of course, we'll go over the stock market as well, the S&P, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell. Can't forget about the Russell. And if we have time later in the video, we'll break down some other stocks. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get your free money for Moomoo up to 20 stocks with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo, and for a limited time until Jerome Powell cuts those rates, you will earn up to 8.1% on your uninvested cash. That is insane. So again, use that link down below, guys, or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, let's dive right into it. So yeah, we had a pretty red day. Nothing too crazy, but we did have a 1% red day for the NASDAQ, which of course is the tech-heavy index. So a lot of big tech dragged down the stock market today. We had stocks like Tesla down 3.2%, Meta down 1.3%, Amazon down about 1%. Let's see what else here, guys. Let's see. Any other big names that were down? Let's see. Shopify down about 1.5%. CrowdStrike ahead of earnings down about 2%. So we had a decent red day for the NASDAQ. The S&P went down about 0.25%. The Russell kind of broke even, and the Dow went up a little bit, which I believe the Dow might have hit all-time highs today. So it wasn't, a terrible day by any means, but we did have tech drag down these indexes. And yes, we did see, drag down the stock market and the indexes, right? We can see Dow hit 41,420, which is awesome. So all-time high for the Dow. The S&P is a stone's throw away, about $5 looking here at SPY. And Triple Q is about $30 off the highs. Looks like now we're retesting the highs from early August as support. We'll see if we do end up bouncing off of that point. So Palantir went down about 3%. Yeah, about 2.9% to be exact there. And now we're down about $2.50 off the recent highs, which we hit over $33 per share. That was on... what day was that? Thursday? Yeah, that was on Thursday. We hit over $33 per share. Now we're at, $30.85. So we are down about 7.3% from that high. So we are not in correction territory, but we're close. We're about 2.5-3% away from correction territory. So Palantir is, seeing a healthy pullback. That's the reality of the matter, at least from my perspective. I mean, guys, all the time frames pretty much point to that, right? Here we have, I guess we do have a death cross on the 30-minute and on the 5-day. Last I checked, yeah, on the 5-day as well. But come on, guys, let's be real here. On the 4-hour chart, we're still looking great. We're above the 180 SMA. Yes, we are slightly under the 50 SMA right now. You guys can see that. But overall, the uptrend is still clearly intact here on PLTR. And we can see, even if it comes down to $28.75, $29, $30 flat even, we're still going to be above that moving average. And I think buyers will come in. I think this dip will get bought up. It's only a matter of time. Now, am I buying this dip? Not necessarily. I'm going to just wait. I'm holding on. You guys know that. But yeah, I'm just watching it at this point. I'm watching it to see what it's doing in this window. And maybe if it comes down to 28, maybe under 28 even slightly, which who knows if that will happen. But maybe then I would consider adding a little bit more. But I'm in no rush. I'm just holding on to what I have right now, and I'm excited to see, how it plays out if buyers do end up coming in, which it's not guaranteed. We don't know for sure what's going to happen, but that's kind of what I'm waiting for here on this one, right? PLTR. So, yeah, it looks like it is slipping a bit in the very short term, but that happens. That happens with stocks that have gone up a lot in the very short term, right? Which, again, realize just from 3 weeks ago, we're up a lot. The stock was at $20 per share on the 5th of August, right? And we just hit $33 per share. Like I said, that's a 55% move. And guys, we're still up 45% off the lows. For Pete's sake, we're still looking really good. So nobody's obviously panicking about this. If you're panicking about this, take a freaking chill pill, man. Relax. It's not that serious. It's not a big deal at all. This happens all the time. And, we had a red day for tech. It kind of makes sense. We saw a bit of selling in PLTR. It is what it is. But it all comes down to the 4-hour, which clearly we're still looking really good, at least as of now. So keep your eyes on that moving forward to see kind of what we do in this window between $28.75 to about $30-$31 per share. And if I pull up, let's see, some other names that moved today. Looks like Celsius is moving a little bit, which I'm not a fan of the stock at all, man. I don't know. It might be the next monster. Will it be? I don't know. But it's gotten clobbered. We double topped big time a couple months ago. Now we're down to $40. We hit 36 the other day, about a week or two ago, whatever. Now we're at 40, so we had a 1.5% green day. Not bad, but that's not exciting me at all at this point. If I were to trade this thing, I'd need to wait for some sort of reversal, probably above 46, 46.50. But until then, I am not interested in Celsius, but I'm still watching it. Why not? Might as well keep it on the watch list here, guys. Looks like Rivian inked out a green day today. And by the way, run the likes up. I challenge you guys, 150 likes on this video. It's easy. We've done it before. Smash that like button. Also, make sure to subscribe. I think 50% of you guys are not subscribed according to my analytics, but you watch the videos anyway. So if that's you, make sure to subscribe. We're on the road to 50,000 subscribers, guys. So Rivian actually looks pretty good on the charts, right? We hit about $18-19 about a month and a half, 2 months ago, right? Then we saw a big correction, actually a bear market. We went down 32%, and now it looks like we're finally starting to continue the uptrend. You guys see what I'm seeing? Are you picking up what I'm putting down here, guys? Clearly a pop is happening right now. If I'm drawing all these, bounces out, or a lot of them, you guys see where they tend to happen, right at this trend line I drew. So if this could take out 1550 right by the 180 SMA here on the 4-hour, we could really start pushing, man. Really start pushing, and that would be a very interesting trade, at least in my opinion. That's, again, Rivian, RIVN. And, yeah, I'm curious as to kind of where your heads are at, guys, with Palantir, of course, the overall stock market. I mean, today was nothing out of the ordinary, and for Pete's sake, the Dow hit an all-time high, so we actually had a pretty good day. Whenever there's a day an index hits an all-time high, I consider that a decent day, even if some other indexes ended up going down. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to get up to 20 stocks for a Moo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moo. And for a limited time until Jerome Powell cuts those rates very soon here, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, it's a no-brainer. Use that link down below. Go to stocksurfest.com/Moo, and I'll catch you in the next video.